It's a 2015 GMC Terrain. This Terrain means more than just utility and capability. It's a strikingly designed crossover that bridges the gap between comfort and function. Features include automatic transmission, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, rear parking sensors, driver memory seats, OnStar remote link, external memory control, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, and power tilt-down heated mirrors. Edmunds.com reports a small crossover, the Terrain stands out thanks to its stylish cabin, versatile back seat, ample standard features, and sophisticated driving manners. GMC, professional-grade vehicles suited to fit your needs. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Whether you're buying today or just shopping at Metropolitan Ford, you can expect to experience something truly unique. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located near 494 and Highway 5 in Eden Prairie.